In today's video, I will walk you through how to use screen tones regular in Krita. To use screen tones regular, select the brush tool by pressing B on your keyboard. Then open the brush presets docker, usually located on the right side of the Krita interface. In the search box, type screen tones regular. Once the screen tones regular brush preset appears, click it to select the brush. Next, adjust the brush size from the top toolbar. Increase the size value for a larger tone area, or decrease the size value for smaller and more detailed tone effects. The screen tones regular brush in Krita is useful for adding dot patterns, shading effects, and comic-style tones to your artwork. It is a good choice when creating manga-style illustrations, adding shadows, or applying textured tone details. Use a larger brush size when covering bigger areas with tones, and use a smaller brush size when adding precise shading details. After selecting the screen tones regular brush and adjusting the size, you can start applying tone effects to your artwork in Krita. And that's how to use screen tones regular in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.